Short video by Automotive Control in Bristol. We've got a 2021 Audi RS4 in for a tow bar, which we've already installed. And as you can see, we have modified the carbon bumper at the bottom, but you won't be able to see anything from standing back from the vehicle, unless you're up underneath. My colleague will just give you a quick demonstration of how easy it is to attach the assembly for towing. So that's the towing neck in place, electrical socket to the right hand side on a swivel plate, and then you're good to tow. You can lock the neck onto the vehicle as well. Just give you a quick demonstration of the interactive features you get with the Audi dedicated and approved wiring harness that we've used. So ignition on. If we indicate, for example, we get the number 1 symbol in the dash to remind us. If we have any bulbs fail, the dashboard and instrument cluster will actually advise us of any warnings. We'll also have parking sensor cut off on the rear, so this is displayed with the trailer symbol just there. The fronts are still enabled. The interactive Audi dedicated wiring kit, which we've coded to the vehicle, will also give you other interactive features like adjusting the automatic handbrake, the stability control settings, traction control settings. It's quite an interactive kit. So we'll just detach the towing neck assembly now. So there's our test board plugged in. So untwist the towing socket, swivel the electric socket up out the way, and then you just quick release the neck assembly itself. There is a dust cap which you pop back into the housing up underneath, and the vehicle then returned back to its original default settings where the parking sensors are re-enabled and all the towing features are then disabled. So yeah, 2021 Audi RS4, you do need to ensure that the vehicle has a towing capacity. If the vehicle's got dynamic ride control, DRC, then this tow bar will not fit. Thank you for watching.